Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sija Mariani. I will present about my research. Analysis of students' problem-solving ability in terms of self-efficacy. Introduction. Mathematics is one of the most important subjects studied by students because it is related to everyday life. The achievement of mathematics learning objective can be reflected in the success of students in understanding concepts in mathematics and their ability to apply mathematics to solve problems in everyday life. Problem-solving oriented learning will encourage students curiosity and require students to think critically in determining solutions so that through this process the learning carried out will be more meaningful. Problem solving in reality also needs to be supported by an attitude of trust in oneself in solving these problems. Rahman et al. Explained that the need for support in students in the form of an attitude of trust and confidence in their ability so that the students are able to face the problem problem. Bandura is one of the theorists who focus on the concept of self-efficacy, state that self-efficacy is an individual's belief in his ability to complete certain tasks. Therefore, this underlines the need for research related to problem-solving ability and student self-efficacy. Research methods. The method used in this research is descriptive qualitative research method. The research subjects were 50 grade students totaling 22 students. The research instrument used were a problem-solving ability test, a questionnaire related to student self-efficacy, and interview guidelines. Data collection in the initial part began by distributing self-efficacy questionnaires to students. The self-efficacy questionnaires that research give to students consist of 24 statements with 4 scales that indicate the level of self-efficacy. Furthermore, data collection was carried out on 4 selected subjects who represented each category by giving a test of problem-solving ability in the form of description question. The subjects were then interviewed with the aim of clarifying the answers given based on the test. Based on the analysis conducted on feeling the level of self-efficacy, the categorization data is obtained as shown in the table below. 2 students at very high level, 6 students at high level, 13 students at medium level, 1 student at low level. List of names on score of research subject. AGN at very high level, SPL at high level, AC, QR at medium level, SH at low level. Based on the result of the study, it can be seen that students who have high self-efficacy can solve problems better and more systematically. This is in accordance with research and conducted by Abasada et al. That students who have self-confidence will show positive behavior such as willingness, effort, and great perseverance in completing their tasks and have high self-confidence. Although the result of the use of student problem solving seem to reach almost the same, but from the systematic work, the completeness of the component, the application of concept in each step so that students who have very high self-efficacy are able to solve problems better. Likewise, what happens to students who have high self-efficacy also show a correlation of the confidence in the correctness of their answer. However, that answers given by the subject are still less systematic. Students who have moderate self-efficacy show that their level of ability in solving problems is quite good, but still requires deepening their material and concept of other materials that are also applied in solving problems. Students who have low self-efficacy actually show almost the same test result, but students do not understand the concept of multiplication, so that the final result obtained are less precise. Based on the results, conclusion, based on the result of data analysis and discussion, it can be concluded that out of 22 students, there are 2 students who have very high level of self-efficacy, 6 students at highest levels, 13 students at moderate levels, and 1 student at low levels. Students who have low self-efficacy tend to be easily afraid and anxious, so that they are less optimal and complete tasks, while students who have high self-efficacy will feel capable and have confidence in their abilities. He can complete the task better because he considers the problem found to be a challenge.